the tower, hiding all the pain. I know boku wa Tada naiteta. Born into a world where dreams are defined by force. I held a notebook tight, plotting out a different course. They laughed and pushed me down, called me by that name. Deku was the symbol of my shame. Dakedo, kikoeta, the voice of the symbol of peace. You can be a hero, that moment time ceased. Swallow the hair, accepted the weight. Now I'm standing here rewriting my fate. My bones might shatter, my arms might break, but there is a life that is mine to take. Genkai or koete, I won't run away. Smash through the sky, let the green lightning fly. One for all, coursing through, I won't let you die. Mamoru, tame, I'll trade it all. Every percentage, I'll give the call. Plus ultra, screaming loud to the galaxy. This is my hero academy. Full cowling, moving fast, jumping off the walls. Shoot style kick, I answer when the siren calls. It's not just mimicry, it's not just his face. I'm finding my own path, setting my own pace. Oh, senpai no Seneca, chasing the ghosts of the past state holders. Feeling the burden heavy on my shoulders. Like with a leash floating in the air, I'll save the villain too, that is my prayer. Pain is the proof that I am alive. For the sake of the future, I have to survive. Kimi no ega wo I will save today. Smash through the fear, wipe away every tear. I am hearing it out loud and clear. Suyo Kanata from 5 to 100. Watch me ignite. Plus ultra, shining bright like a midday sun. The night fuses when it's just begun. Sometimes the world turns gray and the Deku name feels heavy to say. But Deku doesn't mean useless anymore. It means you can do it, opening the door. United States of smash, break the dark like the spark in a flash. Subete o kakete. This is the story of how I became the greatest hero to ever claim the nation. Go beyond. Let's go beyond. Green sparks fade, but the hope remains. I am here, boku no hero.